Hello students, Callie Daniels here, and in this video we're going to take a look at your gradebook. Now from the course home screen in MyLabMath, you can see your calendar, you can see assignments that you've completed, you can see what to work on next, and also down here in the right hand corner you can see items that you've submitted. For example, I've submitted quiz number 1 and section R.1 homework, and I noticed that those are above the 80% mark, which is really good. And then I've got a few homework scores down here below that 80% mark, which is not good. You want to always have all your scores above at least that 80% mark. Now you can open any of these assignments just by clicking on that little icon to open homework or quiz and take a look at those, or you can just go to your gradebook tab in MyLabMath. Now in your gradebook tab you can review any assignment that you've completed. So once you complete a quiz, you can come in here and review it anytime after taking that quiz. And what I like to do is select this little down arrow icon so that I can see the questions that I've gotten correctly and the ones that I've missed. So definitely open the ones that you've missed and review your work and try to figure out what went wrong there. Now in this particular problem, if you click the little red triangle above that answer, you can see what happened here. I answered 0. But the correct answer is the number 9. Now you can get some answer feedback by selecting the answer feedback, or you can come up here and use your question help features, which are available as you review your quiz. So you can still go through and maybe help me solve this problem so you learn from your mistakes or view an example. And you can even come in here and print your quizzes after the fact. And anytime you print, I would recommend that you print the test with correct answers and your answers rather than printing just one question. Print the whole thing. And you can select print if you want to print that. One other quick thing about viewing assignments from your grade book. If you say go into a homework section, let's say I want to go into section 1.7 and review it. Notice in yellow that it says you are reviewing your homework and any work you do here will not change your score. What that means is that you can go into any homework assignment from your gradebook feature and work on those problems, but it's not going to change your score. So you don't want to try to do homework from here and improve your grade, okay? If you want to improve your grade with a homework, you're going to go back to the homework tab, okay? Now, another sort of nice thing about this feature within the gradebook is if you want to practice on a section that you've already completed and have a 100% score for, you can actually do that anytime you want to. Just go through the gradebook and just come back in here and rework some problems if you'd like. Now you are given another notification here. You're reviewing your homework. Any work you do here will not change your score. And if you want to continue to review that homework and rework some problems, then you can definitely do that by selecting similar questions. We will use the gradebook in MyLabMath and not Canvas. And your grades are updated and correct all the time in MyLabMath. So you can go there and see your grade at any point in time. That is the MyLabMath Gradebook. I'm Callie Daniels. Enjoy the math.